Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to lock folders in Windows 10 or 11 without an extra software. So if you want to go ahead and lock a specific folder onto your device, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see in here, we're currently onto the pictures folder and I have created a new folder in here so that we could try to lock this one out. So let's add a specific file in here onto our new folder. And then right after, let's try to open this to add a lock for this one. So what you need to do right after is we need to add in a new text document in here. So simply right click onto that one and then click onto new, and then you should be able to see their text document. So click onto that one. And then right after, you could rename this onto anything you like. So for example, we could name this one lock. And then right after, we'll just need to open this one first. And then right after, onto the text document that you have created, you'll just need to paste this one off. So you could pause the video so that you could copy the same thing in here. And you need to find in this specific thing in here. So this one. So this enter your password, you'll just need to replace this with a password that you want to use. So for example, let's just name this password just like that. And then right after, we'll just have to click onto the file in here, click on to save as, and then we'll change the file format from text. Then we'll just simply go ahead and type in here the format that is .bat. Then right after, we'll have to click on to save. Now once you have saved that one out, you should be able to see the specific file in here. Now to lock in the folder, we'll just have to double click this. And as you can see, it will go ahead and create a new folder for you. So you'll just need to put in all of the details or all of the files that you want to go ahead and lock onto that specific folder, onto this folder in here to go ahead and lock this. Then once you have already put in here or inside it all of the files that you want to go ahead and add, you'll just need to double click again onto this specific file to go ahead and open this tab. So you'll just need to make sure that you want to lock the folder, click onto Y, click onto enter, and this will surely lock the folder that you have. So as you can see, we don't see the folder already in here. Now if you want to go ahead and try to open that, you'll just need to double click this one again, and then it will ask you to type in the password to unlock the folder. So just type in the password that you have added earlier, click onto enter, and then right after, you should be able to see again the folder in here. And that is just basically it onto how to lock folders in Windows 10 or 11 without using an extra software. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.